So you're not just getting a remarkable home, you are getting a prime location.
Imagine a space where every inch is precious, where intimacy meets expansion, and where luxury blends seamlessly with practicality. Today, we're taking you inside 9 Hughes Street in Cambridge, where Treetop Group has transformed this property into a true masterpiece. Stay with us to explore how this remarkable home caters to your every need and desire.
Welcome everyone. Today we are at 9 Hughes Street in Cambridge, a prime location that we have transformed into something truly exceptional. You won't believe how we have added value to this property. We are going to show you how we have elevated this property beyond its prime location. Let's start with the fact that this property now offers spacious, purposeful living spaces in the heart of Cambridge. We have created an intimate yet expandable spaces like the living room with its cozy fireplace seating features, the kitchen, dining, and deck seamlessly tied together. And don't miss the hidden powder room and the pantry. We played with the vertical line and the lights to create warm and organic textures. Moving up to the second level, you will find a generously sized room that easily accommodates queen beds. One even boasts an ensuite bathroom, perfect for special guests. On the third level, we created a primary suite that's a true sanctuary. It features a Zen bathroom, high ceilings, and a strategically placed window that captures the best view of Cambridge. Across the hall, a versatile room can function as an office or a nursery. Venture down to the basement and you will discover an indoor entertainment space. If our buyers have children, this is where magic of play happens. Step outside and you will find all fenced-in oasis. There's a fire pit for those cozy evenings and ample space to hang out. From the outdoor grass area to the large deck, you can host a proper outdoor dining or catering. And because of the layout, we contain outdoor foot traffic so guests can enter the kitchen and the powder room without dirtying your living rooms and rug. If you are a private investor looking for opportunities or just interested in the world of real estate, we would love to connect with you. Stay tuned for more insight and make sure to subscribe for our latest updates.